I asked Hermes agent to think of 100 t-shirt design ideas for my gaming niche, and it generated a list with all the design concept, and it also designed all the 100 designs in less than 30 minutes without even me writing any prompt for any of these designs. Here's exactly what happened. I connected Hermes agent to Higgsfield using something called MCP, and I was able to use the power of Hermes agent with Higgsfield to generate all the design ideas in an Excel sheet and then design them all and eventually download them directly to my PC folder without me doing any work. So in this breakdown, I'm going to show you the exact setup, how to connect these two tools together, the exact prompt I used to get a full spreadsheet of design ideas, and how it auto-generated all the 100 designs from that sheet. Steal this workflow and let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to do is to download the Hermes Agent desktop app. Go to Hermes Agent website, which will be available in the description. Download the desktop app, and after the setup, which is very simple, just follow the steps, you will have a similar interface. Here you can switch between the models that you can use. You can connect your Hermes agent to your ChatGPT account or Claude account to use their AI models. To do that, press on the settings tab at the top and then the providers tab, and here you can press on the OpenAI connector to connect your ChatGPT account or Anthropic connector to connect your Claude account, and this will enable you to use their AI models inside the Hermes agent. I have connected mine to my ChatGPT account so that I can use the GPT models inside Hermes agent. So back to the dashboard. So the next step is to connect our Higgsfield account to Hermes agent to be able to generate the designs inside Hermes, and this will be done via Higgsfield MCP. So simply head to your Higgsfield account and here press on the MCP tab and copy the MCP link in the middle, and then back to Hermes agent, and in our chat window you can ask Hermes agent directly to install Higgsfield MCP. Simply ask it to install the Higgsfield MCP and paste the link that you have copied, and Hermes agent is going to check the MCP and install it directly to itself. So just wait for it for a couple of seconds and it will automatically read its skills and read Higgsfield MCP that we have pasted, and it will continue doing the work itself. All you need to do is to wait for it to finish the installation, and during the setup it is going to open your browser to connect your Hermes agent to your Higgsfield account. Just log into your Higgsfield account and press allow once this page pops up, and that's it. Now your Higgsfield account is connected to your Hermes agent, and once the process completes, we would be able to generate any designs inside our Higgsfield. Now the result says that Higgsfield is connected successfully, and to check the connection and that everything is connected, we can simply go back and press on our settings tab and then press on the MCP tab, and here we can see that Higgsfield is connected successfully. All the details of Higgsfield is added. Step 1 completed. Now going back to Hermes agent dashboard, and in a new chat we are going to ask it to generate ideas for our niche, and I'm using the gaming niche for this tutorial. So my prompt says I would like to generate 100 t-shirt design prompts for t-shirt designs for my gaming niche. The prompts should follow the below structure but different main graphic, and all of them should be in vintage sunset style. Of course, you can choose your own style, or you can even choose to generate the designs in different variations or different styles. And I also ask it to do a research and find the best trending phrases and text for this niche and generate an Excel sheet of 100 designs with the following main prompt template. And here I added a prompt that I think fits perfectly for generating t-shirt designs. I'll leave the prompt in the description of the video. And what happens now is that we are here using the agentic powers of Hermes agent to generate and do the research for the designs first. And secondly, we are going to generate the designs based on the research that it is going to do. So after some time, it started working on doing a research, and it could ask you to give some approvals during the process. So simply approve any requests, and within a couple of minutes, it was able to generate an Excel sheet with gaming vintage sunset t-shirt prompts 100, and it created an Excel sheet with the design name, the niche, the style, main graphic, the trending text, phrase, and background, and the full prompt. And here are our designs, 100 designs exactly as requested. Each design has a name, a main graphic description, trending text phrase, and background if it is going to be a white or black, and all with an Excel sheet based on the prompt template that we have. You can do the process using any niche or any idea. So now we have completed the second step. The following step now is to design or to generate these designs using Higgsfield MCP. And my next prompt is going to ask it to use Higgsfield MCP to generate the 100 designs in batches of 10. So instead of generating all the designs simultaneously, I'm asking it to generate each 10 designs first and show me the designs before proceeding, just to make sure that the process works fine. And also, since I prefer some AI models specifically while generating t-shirt designs, I advised it to use the Nano Banana 2 model and the GPT Image 2 model in addition to the Reeve model on Higgsfield to generate the designs. So basically, it should mix between the three models while generating all the designs, and we're going to start with the first 10 designs using this process. And I also advised it to generate all the designs in 3:4 ratio, which is usually the perfect ratio for t-shirt designs. Now Hermes agent started using the Higgsfield MCP to explore the advised models, and then it started working on each of the models based on the Excel sheet. And we can even see that the generations started inside the Hermes agent following the Excel sheet. And if we go to the top, we can see that the designs follow the exact Excel sheet. So this is the first design. And if we open the Excel sheet, we can see that it is the main concept similar to the Excel sheet. And each of the generated designs has its title and the model that was used to generate this design mentioned at the top. Let's assume I don't like the Reeve Recraft model. So I'm going to ask it to regenerate some of the designs, numbers 3, 6, and 9, and use the Nano Banana 2 model instead. And here it regenerated the selected 3 designs, but this time using the Nano Banana model. And to make sure that the connection with Higgsfield works fine, if we go to our Higgsfield account, we can see that all the generated designs are inside our assets folder, which means that everything works fine using Higgsfield MCP. So we successfully created the first patch. What we are going to do now is to move with the next patch. So I'm going to ask it this time to only use the Nano Banana 2 and the GPT Image 2 model to generate the remaining 90 designs. And I asked it to continue with the next patch. And here it worked on the next patch, similar to before. And also all the designs look perfect. Each design has a title, the model that was used to generate the designs, and the number. And if we check the Excel sheet again, we can see that Here, for example, design number 20 is the main character ping, and it exactly follows the Excel sheet. And you can continue generating all the 100 designs until it finishes. So the next step now is to use a couple of these generated designs to place on a mockup. So after generating all the 100 designs, I asked it to use or to place design 81 and 97 on realistic model t-shirt mockup, black t-shirt in a gaming atmosphere, and I asked it to generate 2 realistic images with 2 designs on models, and use GPT image 2 for this generations, also via the Higgsfield MCP. And similar to before, it was able to generate 2 male models in a gaming atmosphere using the exact designs that I advised it to use. Now for my final step, I'm going to create a folder on my PC, and I'm going to ask it to download all the 100 generated designs and mockups in addition to the Excel sheet and save them to this specific folder. And after maybe 3 minutes, all the designs were downloaded in addition to the Excel sheet and saved to this exact specific folder as advised. And if we open the folder, we can see that all the designs are saved, downloaded successfully, in addition to the Excel sheet, all inside the folder without a problem. And you can use this Excel sheet as a reference, and of course you can work on your designs to make them suitable for use on print-on-demand platforms by removing the background and upscaling the designs if needed. So that was how you can automate the process of designing using Higgsfield MCP with Hermes agent. The same process can be also duplicated using any other agentic model like Claude or Codex. You will find the link in the description that will take you directly to Higgsfield MCP. Remember, for this connection to happen successfully, you need a valid Higgsfield account and a valid AI agentic model account like Claude, ChatGPT, or any other providers that were mentioned in the video in the first part. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.